Sup peeps, Earl here, Tech, and if you're looking for a new internet plan or want to upgrade your current one, it can get quite overwhelming, especially for the average user. So to make things easier, our video for today is an updated guide about the postpaid fiber internet plans being offered in the Philippines for 2025. And these are mainly from the 4 major internet service providers including PLDT, Globe, Sky, and Converge. We will also cover the prepaid internet plans soon in a separate video or a new article on the Tech website. Click that subscribe button if you haven't already so you don't miss that one out. But enough of the intro, let's jump right into the video. Let's first have an overview of the primary offerings from the major internet service providers, or ISP for short. We have PLDT's fiber-only plans, Globe G Fiber, Converge FiberX, and Sky's new True Fiber plans. As you can see, internet speeds have been slightly, if not significantly, faster than before. Plans starting at 1,500 pesos now offer at least 300 megabits per second or 300 Mbps. That's double the speed from at least 2 to 3 years ago. These plans have also surpassed 1,000 Mbps or up to 1 gigabit per second of internet service, which, as you'd expect, are offered in each ISP's most expensive plans. Globe Telecom even offers speeds of up to 1.5 gigabits per second at a hefty price of 7,499 pesos monthly. You may also notice the speed boost, particularly from PLDT. This means they offer significantly faster speeds compared to other ISP's plans in the same price range. For example, PLDT's fiber-only plan 2,099 pesos has a speed boost of 700 Mbps. That is faster by 200 Mbps than that of Globe's G Fiber or Converge's FiberX offerings at nearly the same price, both capped at 500 Mbps. While the faster internet speeds really sound good, sadly for PLDT users, this so-called speed boost is only valid for a limited time and will go back to regular speeds once the promo lapses. Weirdly enough, Sky's True Fiber speed boosts aren't anything special because they're not actually faster than the competition. Instead, Sky's boosted speeds are just leveled to match other ISP's offerings at similar price points. Take the True Fiber plan 1,500. For example, its regular speed is capped at 200 Mbps, and while its speed boost reaches 300 Mbps, that is just the same speed as a Converge FiberX plan of the same price. We'll discuss such speed boosts in more detail later in this video. Perhaps what these ISPs all have in common nowadays is the inclusion of streaming services such as Netflix and Disney+. Notably, the streaming options vary by telco company. Netflix is offered by both PLDT and Converge, while Disney+ is solely available through Globe Telecom. Of the 4 major ISPs, only Globe bundles Disney+ by default with its G Fiber plans. As for PLDT and Converge, they offer Netflix bundles either in separate plans or as an add-on to customers' existing plans. Sky, however, doesn't offer such inclusions for now except the new Sky TV cable. Moving on, let's now take a closer look at each ISP's fiber internet plans one by one. Starting with PLDT, they offer some of the most flexible plans today. Their only fiber plans start at 899 pesos per month, capped at 35 Mbps, and can go as high as 9,499 pesos for a standard 1 Gbps of internet speed. What's interesting is the fiber-only plan 2,699 pesos also offers 1 Gbps of speed, but that's because of the time-limited speed boost. According to PLDT, eligible customers can get a free speed upgrade for a period of 6 months from the date of service activation. After that, customers' fiber plans revert back to the regular speed, and this makes us think that this is just a marketing strategy. For one, the Speed Boost promo itself is also being offered at a limited time with validity period set until March 31st of 2025. And second, the base fiber-only plan 899 doesn't even come with a speed boost, enticing customers to opt for a higher plan, the plan 1,299, which offers a significantly faster speed at 100 Mbps. Notably, the speed boost applies to other PLDT plans as well, so customers can enjoy it while it lasts. Speaking of other PLDT fiber plans, the fiber-only all includes a free signal cable TV subscription and a Netflix standard plan offering 1080p of full HD viewing experience. There's also a standalone fiber Netflix plan 1,599 pesos, which comes with both signal cable and a Netflix subscription, albeit a basic plan that only provides 720p content. Next, we have Globe Telecom, which probably has the simplest lineup among all ISPs. Currently, the company offers just 5 postpaid plans within its G Fiber service. All G Fiber plans are bundled with access to Blast TV and Disney+ inclusions of different tiers. The base G Fiber plan 1499 has a basic annual subscription offering full HD content, and subsequent plans come with a premium annual subscription that offers 4K Ultra HD content. Globe doesn't run any speed boost promo for now, but their offerings don't fall short against the competition either. Its G Fiber plan 1500 offers a standard 300 Mbps speed, matching other ISP's offerings at the same price. Also, Globe's the only telco company that offers up to 1.5 Gbps Gbps through its G-Fiber plan 7,499, and it even costs less as compared to PLDT's fiber-only plan 9,499 with only 1 Gbps of internet speed. It's also worth noting other inclusions that come with G-Fiber plan 2,799 and above, such as a 5,000 peso TP-Link voucher, a free one-time visit from Globe's Home Squad service, and access to VIP hotline. Then, there is Converge, offering some of the most competitive plans we've seen in recent memory, at least on paper. Its FiberX plans start at 1,500 pesos monthly for 300 Mbps and just add a couple of thousand pesos more at 3,500 pesos and you now have access to 1 Gbps of internet speed. Converge's offerings also have some level of flexibility. There are the so-called time of day plans starting at 1,699 pesos, either speed of 200 Mbps or up to 400 Mbps and vice versa depending on the user's setup. There's also the plan 3,000 offering 600 Mbps up to 800 Mbps. Next, there are Netflix bundles as well that serve as optional upgrades for those subscribed to FiberX plan 1,500. Depending on how much media quality a customer is willing to get, the higher the price. Netflix Premium, for example, which offers 4K Ultra HD media content, comes bundled with FiberX for 2,298 pesos monthly. If you go and check the actual premium plan pricing on the Netflix website, it is actually just priced at 549 pesos per month. The excess cost, well, the 200 Mbps speed boost on top of the regular 300 Mbps justifies it. Speaking of speed boost, Converge also has boost mode promo on all its offerings. But the company went a different route and it's actually something nice. According to this report from last year, the said boost mode promo has been made permanent since October 2024 and we hope it stays that way. Converge also offers something for competitive gamers with its game changer plans that start at 2,500 pesos and go as high as 5,000 pesos per month. What's special about this lineup are the inclusions dedicated to enhance users' gaming experience. Lastly, we have Sky, and yes, it is still pretty much alive even after turning down the supposed PLDT acquisition last year. Sky has two main lineups under its True Fiber service and it starts at plan 999 pesos with 75 Mbps of internet speed. That actually sounds better than PLDT's only fiber plan 899 that offers only 35 Mbps. Sky also runs speed boost promo from plan 1,500 and above. However, this only applies to new customers who avail Sky True Fiber plans until May 31st of 2025. There are also day or night plans starting at 1,699 pesos for 300 to 500 Mbps and 3,000 pesos monthly for 700 Mbps up to 1 Gbps and vice versa. If you're wondering about any entertainment bundle, Sky Cable also lives true, although it goes by a new name, Sky TV. It serves as add-on which starts at plan 99 up to plan 499 on top of any True Fiber plan. With this add-on, users can get up to 90 cable channels. However, it comes with an installation fee of 2,800 pesos per Sky TV box. Now, before we wrap this up, we have some final thoughts and perhaps a reminder. The landscape of fiber internet plans in the country has definitely improved a lot throughout the years. We can now enjoy faster speed at more competitive prices and added perks across all major ISPs. Whether you're looking for high-speed internet, entertainment bundles, or plans tailored to a specific need like gaming or flexibility, all four have compelling options. The key is to choose a plan that aligns with your internet habits and your set budget. As you explore your options, just remember to keep an eye on the fine print. Speed boosts and other promos can be tempting, but they often come with limitations. Just like how ISPs always say that their internet speeds are guaranteed to deliver 30% of minimum speed at 80% reliability. Meaning all the numbers you've seen here aren't always going to be consistent. So carefully weigh in the pros and cons before making your final decision. But what about you? Are you currently subscribed to any fiber internet plan? How is the experience so far? Will you shift to a different ISP or will you get an upgrade for your internet plan anytime soon? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Like always, if you find this video helpful or informative, leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content, and hit that bell icon to get notified of our future uploads. And don't forget to follow us on our socials, that's Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or X, and visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Earl, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!